Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio for your Windows 10 and 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and in my case I'm using Google Chrome. And in the search bar you are going to type OBS Studio, then you will find the first and official website. You can either access it from here, or if you can see the section download, you just can directly click here. So let's click here in the download, and here as you can see you will find different operating systems, and for us we need the Windows, and if you want any other operating system you can just click here, and then you are going to click on the download installer and the download will start. And as you can see here, once it finishes you are going to just click on this file and continue the installation. You just keep clicking next. There is nothing to change in the settings, and after that, as you can see here, you will find the OBS application here. It works. You can use it to record videos or to stream or anything that you want. And for the settings, you can just choose whatever that you want. For the settings, you can just customize it as you want, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.